Okay, so we're going to make a bird and we're not going to use any tools. We're going to start off by bending our wire here at about 4.5 inches. We're going to take our second wire and start making toes. So we're going to bend that 2 inches and we're going to start twisting. We're going to make 6 toes in total, using each of the last toes to help us do a size reference. And right now we have 3, and that'll give us 4. So we put 4 toes in the front, and we want to put 2 toes in the back. And that's 1, and that is 2. Bringing this little tail around the toe here, and this one off to the side. Now this next piece will actually become a beak. We're going to bend that a half. Most people don't always have the right tools, so we're going to do this by hand. Just going to break that a half, and we have our beak. Now let's make some eyes. So let's make one eye by bending this in 1 inch and just wrapping on the edge here. And using about half the wire, go straight to the other side, and that gives you 2 eyes. Just going to make that disappear in the center area here. We are ready to assemble our bird. So we're going to wrap this around this, get all these feathers out of the way. We're going to just wrap. We wrap forward, we wrap backwards, we go around again, and we just wrap. We want to fold over the beak, and we want to insert our eyes. This will give us a lovely kiwi bird of paradise. Let's go ahead and wrap that around. And here at top, let's go ahead and wrap that. I want to bend this at about 2 inches here from the base of the eye. I want to put these feet on and attach. Beautiful, beautiful. And we're going to use the rest of this to make a tail and a body. Pushing that edge right into the body, giving us a lovely bird of paradise with feet and functional head. Don't forget to fluff them up and have lots of fun.